All remember the 4 asanas that we remember the 5-6 questions that we wrote down. Is it creating space inside the belly? Is the joints mobile? Are you stable? That has to be always in the mind. You have to make sure that you are aware of them and then do the asanas. So let's sit. We will start the class. Remember to sit on a bolster always. Okay, and don't sit with your legs. Sit a little away. Move the legs a little away. Okay? Second. Just 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, we'll start the class. Sit in a comfortable seated posture. Roll your shoulders back. Keep your head, neck, spine straight. Relax yourself. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. One more. Inhale. And exhale out. Join your palms into Namaste. We start the class with 3 Omkars. For that, take a deep breath in. Oh. Repeat the mantra after me or listen to the mantra. I'll chant. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरुतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरा नतोऽस्मि आबाहुपुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणं सहस्राश्रीशं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम् ॐ Exhale your head to the floor. Be thankful to your mat, your energy, your God. Inhale, lift your head up, rub your palm against each other, generate the heat, the warmth, the energy. Place them on your closed eyes and open your eyes with a big smile on your face. Namaste. Okay, so the first one is simple seated posture. So remember to sit with your legs a little away. Okay. Now simply inhale, place your right palm on the belly and left palm on your chest. Connect with your breathing a little bit. Close your eyes and start to inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale, open your eyes, bring your palms into Namaste in front of your chest. Now inhale, take your arms up, interlace the fingers and take the arms up, look up towards the roof and stay for 5, stay there, 4, 3, very good, 2 and 1. Inhale up, exhale, place the right palm on the floor and you don't have to go all the way like this. Just go like this so that with this arm try to go a little that side and see how much are you able to twist. And stay for 5, very good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, change the side for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up, place your palm behind the hips and then arch your back. Look up towards the roof. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your arms forward and hunch your back and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up, exhale again, twist, similar way, just same palm, same hand, and gently twist. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up, exhale, change the side for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, relax. Now, turn and get into cat-cow position. You have to make sure that you're moving very, very slow. No fast movements, okay? Place the palm like this. Now, simply, gently go cat. Cow pose and then cat pose. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And now from here, very, very slowly, we will get into tiger pose. So what you do is you take the left leg like this. You don't lift it up in the air, okay? And lift the right arm up like this. Once you find, okay, the person has stability, then you move the left up and hold. For 5, 4, very good. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, relax and change the side. Very good. For 5, 4, 3, 2, chalo try karo, and 1. Now from here, just movement of the arms slowly. Lift this one and then relax the other one. Inhale up, exhale, relax. Keep changing. For the last 3, 2, and 1. Now make a fist and then stay with a fist and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring the bolster, okay, in front. I don't have a bolster, but you use the bolster. And then into child's pose. So open the legs, okay, and then relax. You can keep the bolster, yeah, on your head and relax. Keep breathing. and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. You have to make sure you're giving child's pose to the mother after every asana. Okay? Now, inhale up and get into downward facing dog. Okay. Very nice. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold it for the last 1. Exhale again. Bring your knees down. Now from here we are going to do cat stretch, cat twist. Okay. So how do we do cat twist? You just open the leg like this. You just open your body like this. Take the leg back and then up. Slow as you can. Yes, very good. See, look here, look here. Look, how am I taking the leg? This leg down, this side first, and then. I know. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up, exhale, relax, change the side again, and stay. 90 degrees and then hold and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up, exhale, relax, calm down very slowly, and then again relax into child's pose. Every time you're making the mother move into different positions, you have to make sure that the mother is moving into child's pose again and again. Okay, now inhale up, then we have Chaturanga. We know how normally Chaturanga is, but over here the Chaturanga is different. How do you do the Chaturanga is, see, you will not keep your legs straight up like how we do this one, right? We are not supposed to do that because there is a lot of pressure on the chest, there is a lot of pressure on the belly. So we are not supposed to do that. So how will we do it is, we keep our legs like this, keep your palms next to your all perpendicular like this, and then you go ahead and bend them from your elbow, and then see, body weight forward, and then just a little bit bend. If you feel yes, the mother can go more down, then you go down. Okay? Try. Very good. Very nice. Hold it. थोड़ा पैर से और पीछे जाना मैम. हाँ. एल्बो नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए मैम. देखो एल्बो कैसा है उसका. थोड़ा हाथ और पीछे लेना. या ना अपने बॉडी वेट को आगे लेकर आओ. ट्राई टू. यस. हाँ 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 हाँ. वेरी गुड. बस 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 यही बहुत है. ये कम ऑन. होल्ड इट फॉर 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out. Relax. Child's pose again. You see how difficult it is with the womb? Okay, once again, try to do Chaturanga. Chaturanga. Yes, very good. And hold it for 5, 4, 3, hold it, 2 and 1. Exhale, relax. Good. Sit normally. Relax. Into child's pose. ठीक हो? ठीक हो? तबीयत ठीक है ना आपकी? अनईजी हो रहा है इसलिए पूछना. Done? Okay. Now we'll move to sun salutation. The sun salutation is a little different than the normal sun salutation what we do. So we'll stand up. So Hannah, how do you stand up is, you don't like get up like this, how you get up, right? So how you get up is, you take one leg like this and then you idly move into Ashwa Sanchalanasana, lunge pose, okay, like this. And then you, yes, you have to support your arms and then you, with the support, you get up. Okay, got it? Now, let's stand here at the front of the mat. Inhale. Okay, you will never stand like this anymore. You will always stand like this. Okay, with space in your belly. Very good. Now, space in your pubic. Now, inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, bend your knees and bend forward half. Little bend, micro bend on your knees. Very good. Exhale. Then from here, bend down. Very good. Now from here, take the left leg back. Very good. Now from here, inhale up, arms up. And hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, palms down and then into child's pose. Now inhale up, lift yourself up into downward facing dog. Hold it. Now from here, knees down and bring the left leg forward into lunge position. Very good. Hold it and then take your arms up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the palms forward and then the leg forward and then keep your legs bent. Hold the palms next to your feet and then again slowly keep your legs micro bent and arms to the side and then inhale up, join your palms into Namaste and then relax yourself. Got it? Your baby is coming out. Okay. Come on, one more round. Now you remember? Go, let's go, do it. I'll count, don't worry. Stand at the top of your mat. Inhale, arms up. Very good. Exhale, micro bend and arms to the side. Very good. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full forward, full fold. Very good. And hold it. Now inhale, take the right leg back. Very good. Now inhale, arms up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Again, bring arms down and child's pose. Now again inhale up into downward facing dog. Very good. From downward facing dog, again bring your right leg forward, the other leg forward. Very good. Bring your arms down. First relax there. Then inhale, arms up. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, bring the palms down. Another leg forward. Micro bend in your knees. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms to the side. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and inhale all the way, arms up. And exhale, relax. Good. Do one more round by your own so that you remember the flow. ठीक है आप कर ले एक बार. Yes. Your name is Lise. Yeah. Yes, very good. आपको बच्चे हैं मैम, है ना? तो आपको फिर आइडिया होगा. थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में बताएंगे हम कैसे. ये सेकंड ट्राइमेस्टर चल रहा है. वेरी गुड. इनहेल. She's saying your baby is good. Whenever it wants, it's traveling up and back. Okay, very good. Relax. Now, we move to the second form of sun salutation. Okay, another one. So, you come at the top of your mat and then keep your legs bended. Bend your knees and join in Utkatasana like this. Okay, you will not do Utkatasana like this. Okay, you will be doing Utkatasana with your knees bended. Knee bend karna. Yes, a little forward. Okay, now from here take your arms up and then all the way arms up. Again similar, little bit bent and then fold into half forward fold. Exhale, full forward, full fold. Now take the left leg back. Now inhale, arms up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale up, exhale like this, twist. Arms at the back. नहीं मैम, ये देखो, ये हाथ को यहाँ रखो and twist. हाँ, relax. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms up again. And then arms down. Take the leg back. Chaturanga. Child's pose. Always lie down on a bolster. Inhale up into downward facing dog. Very good. Again from here, bring your knees down, both the knees down, and then take the left leg forward. Okay. Then from here, take your arms up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, side twist for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, arms down. Take the leg forward, both the legs forward, and then half forward fold. Okay, and then again, take your arms up halfway, and then very gently, arms up, half Utkatasana with your arms up, and then up. Join your palms. One more round from the other side. We will complete the set. So inhale up. No, bend your knees in Utkatasana, chair pose. Okay. Yes, chair pose. Very good. Exhale. Half. Very good. All the way down. Very good. Now from here, take the one leg back. Very good. Stay. Now from here, arms up. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now side twist. Yes. मैम आप ना साइड गलत करो, हाथ इधर रखो, पीछे वाला हाथ को ले जाओ. हाँ. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, arms up. And then relax into child's pose. Inhale up. Get into downward facing dog. Very good. Now from downward facing dog, bring one leg forward. Very good. Now inhale, arms up. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, twist, side twist. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, arms up, arms down. Now slowly bring the other leg forward, forward fold, bend your knees, Utkat, half forward fold. Now again arms up, Utkatasana, chair pose, and then exhale, relax. Relax into child's pose. Okay. Inhale up. Now we get into warrior pose. Okay. Now again, always remember how to get up is like this. Get into lunge pose. Yes. And then yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, how do we do warrior pose? Simple. Warrior 2 is like this and hold it. Now this is a simple way of warrior pose. We all know this. I don't have to teach you. But I will show you how to do it with a chair. So use a prop. So keep the chair. Okay. No, keep it here. Like how I have placed it. Yes. Chair facing towards you. Very good. Yes. Now you have to make sure that it is not like in a hurry. Okay. Then you slowly take the leg up from here and then take the leg very, very slowly in this way. And then sit on the chair. Okay. Sit on the chair. Now from here slide yourself. And warrior pose. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place this palm down and twist. What is this called? Reverse warrior. Udhar. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I will make you do more asanas with the chair, but tomorrow. Okay, as of now we are just doing the simple ones. Now from here again, bring the leg and then sit on the chair like this. And these are called Iyengar chairs, yoga chairs. If you have this kind of chair, then only you can make them do it. Not in any chair that you like. It will be very risky, okay? And make sure that the chair is very, very firm. And it's always placed on a mat. I will explain how to use props tomorrow, okay? Now, get up from here. Now from here, slowly with support. You can give support and then slowly leg on the chair and then come down. I know that we can come like this, but we will not. We will take support. Now again, take the chair and then turn it to the other side. We are going to do it from the other side. Again, similar thing, you take the leg on top and then you first sit and then take the leg and very good. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale up, inhale up. Yes, sorry. नहीं opposite side में. आपने बैठ हाँ उस तरफ से जाना है. अब बैठे ही थोड़ा उल्टा हो. कौन सा लेग बेंड किया था आपने? हाँ तो ये वाला बेंड ठीक है और पुश करना उस तरफ जाना और पुश करना. हाँ अब उस पैर को सीधा कर दो. हाँ बढ़िया. अब उस तरफ बेंड करके एक्चुअली इधर रहना चाहिए था चेयर का मुंह बट ठीक है कोई बात. उधर हाथ रखना. हाँ बढ़िया. and hold karna for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale up, exhale, come back from the chair and slowly you can move the chair. I will show you how to do triangle pose tomorrow. Okay? Remember, tell me that I have to show you triangle pose. Okay? Okay, now again, how will you sit? When you have to sit, you have to first take one knee down, place the palm. This is also a way you have to teach the mother how to sit. And then sit. Okay, if the mother wants to take child's pose, you give them child's pose, or else we will do dolphin plank. Okay, so how do you do the plank is like this. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale up and exhale, relax. Okay, all the poses are actually modified. They are the same pose, but you are actually modifying them. Okay. Okay. So tree pose, half moon. I will show you tree pose and half moon because I have to stand up. I don't want to stand up. I'll show you tomorrow. Okay. We will do butterfly. So how do you do butterfly? Again, take your arms and then butterfly like this, diamond shaped butterfly. And you take a bolster and then relax on the bolster. Okay, you can take 2-3 bolsters if you like and relax. Let me see. Okay, very nice. Now inhale, open the legs in Upavishta Konasana. Okay, inhale, arms up and then forward fold. Again, inhale up. Once again, try to forward fold. And stay for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now from here we will do Janusirasana. How do we do Janusirasana? You bend the left leg and keep this, ideally in Janusirasana you do it this way. Correct? But over here you will do it this way. And just fold forward this way. And stay. For 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale up, exhale, change the side. And then fold forward. And stay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. Now bend both your legs and then get into pigeon pose. So you bend the left leg and then you first sit like this and then you fold forward. Yeah, this is good. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो बोल्स्टर के ऊपर बैठना है. ये तो नहीं ठीक है, वैसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पर ऐसे करके बैठोगे तो दिक्कत आएगी. आपको बोल्स्टर नीचे लगाना चाहिए. ऐसा लगाना है बोल्स्टर. If your hip is not coming down, you place the bolster under your hip. Like let's suppose, see, my hip is up. Then I need to place a bolster down. If my hip comes down like this, then I don't need to. But that doesn't mean that my hip will, see, my both hips are not in one line. I need my hip to be one line and then I can fold forward. Very good. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. Now bring the other leg and then same thing. You take the leg back and then fold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. Now double pigeon pose. So you place the left, whichever leg down and then this way. And stay. ऐसे नहीं बैठना है. Bring this leg forward. Yes, very good. Pigeon pose and stay. Yes. Forward and fold forward. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change the leg. Yeah. So fold forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale up and then we do lunge position. So like this. And then fold forward this way. Either like this. Yes, very good. Stay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now join your palms into Namaste in front of your chest and then hold the position for 5, 4, smile at each other with the camera, 2, and 1. Now slowly bring this leg, slowly, and then sit into Malasana, yogi squat, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now move it to the other side again. And then arms forward. For 5, very good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, join your palms into balance position for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the leg and then into Malasana. Now this time sit on a bolster like this. See, like this. And then Malasana. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, relax into child's pose for a little while. Okay. Now, slowly lie down on the side. So I'll show you how you're supposed to lie down on the side. So you lie down like this. Okay? And then from here, what you do is, see what you do. You lie down like this, and from here, you take the leg and then stay. Okay? Like this. You keep the leg up. You can stretch the leg forward, the down leg forward, and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now from here again, bend the leg and see what am I doing. I'm just opening the leg and closing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will change the side. Slowly lie on your back and then gently change the side. So we go to the other side. Very good. Yeah, this is right, perfect. And then take the leg, hold the knee. Hold the knee. Bring the knee up and hold it, yes. And hold बहुत बढ़िया. Hold करना for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, bend the leg and then open and leg it. Open and close the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Relax yourself. Okay, the last one that we will do is happy baby pose. So you lie down like this. Lie down, happy baby pose. Take your legs and then open the legs. And hold it. And then you can move side to side. Massage your back. Up and right and left. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, again, we will get into Supta Baddha Konasana. So, you use the bolster under your back and then Baddha Konasana like this and relax. Understood? No, no. Butterfly. So, lying down butterfly position. Slowly remove the bolster from the back and then lie down into Savasana for a little while. Gently relax yourself. Excuse me. Slowly start coming back to your physical body. Start moving your fingers, your toes. Move your neck from left to right, right to left. Take your slowly, whenever you feel, come and sit into a simple cross-legged position. Now remove. Now remove your baby.
Baby. We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, join your palms. We'll finish the class with one Om Tri Shanti. For that, take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Exhale your head to the floor. Be thankful to your mat, your energy, your God. Inhale, lift your head up, rub your palm against each other, generate the heat, the warmth, energy. Place them on your closed eyes and gently open your eyes with a big smile on your face. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste. Thank you.